Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to close my Facebook account temporarily. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on menu option. Then click on settings option. Scroll down, then click on see more in account center, then tap on personal details, just click, then tap on account ownership option, then tap on deactivation or deletion, just click. After that, click on Facebook profile, then deactivate account, just continue. Then deactivate your Facebook account temporarily, just continue and temporarily deactivate your account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.